All right, in exercise 8-13, we are using the periodic method, and we're going to do FIFO, LIFO, and average cost to figure out what our things are. So periodic is a little easier than perpetual because remember when we buy something, we just put it into the purchases category, and then we take a physical count to get the inventory on hand at the end of the year. So we start off with beginning inventory of 2,000 units at 530, and then we purchase 8,000 units at 550. Then we purchase 6,000 units at 560. Notice we're not having to deal with the sales at this point. 560. Then we purchase 4,000 units at 580. So now we just need to extend these prices. So 2,000 equals 10,600. 8,000 times 5.5 equals 44,000. 6,000 times 5.6 is 33,600, and 4,000 times 5.8 is 23,200. All right, so if we add those up, we get 111,400, and this is our goods available for sale. Now, in first out, right, we're going to sell these, and so we add up these total. So 4 and 6 is 10, is 18, is we had 20,000 units available, and we're told we have 7,000 units on hand. So we sell 13,000. So we're going to have this 1060, 600, right? We're going to have this 8,000 is 44,000. And then we're going to have half of this 6,000. That'll give us 3,000 times 560. So 33,600 is 16,800. And if we add those up, we get 71,400, and that will be our cost of goods sold. We take the 71,400, and that will be 40,000, and that will be our ending inventory. All right, so that's part one, first in, first out. Now you can check this, right, because your ending inventory will be this 4,000 times 5,800. So we can check this with the 23,200, and half of this 33,600 was a 16,800. And if we add that together, we get 40,000. So it checks. All right, so that's part one. Part two is going to be LIFO. So last in, first out. So now we're going to go backwards. We need 13. We use the exact same goods available for sale. It's still going to be 111,400. But now we go backwards up the list. And so we're going to have this 23,200. All right, so that's 4,000. With this 6,000, that'll be 33,600. That makes 10,000. So we need 3 of the 8,000. So 3,000 times 550. And that's 16,500. Add those all up. That will be 73,300, and this is our cost of goods sold. So we subtract that. We get 38,100 is our ending inventory for part 2. And then part 3 is the weighted average method. Under periodic, that is very easy. We take the goods available for sale, the 111,400. We divide by the total, which we determined was 20,000. Gives us a price of $5.57 each. So then 557 times 7,000. That gives us 38,990. That's our ending inventory. We take the 557 times the 13,000 sold. And we get 72,410 as cost of goods sold. Okay. All right. So that's part 3. Now notice on this, LIFO will always give you the higher cost of goods sold if prices are increasing, and in this case they were steadily increasing, and so that'll give you the higher number. The cost of goods sold will always be the lowest under FIFO when prices are generally rising, and then the average cost will be in the middle. All right, so that is exercise 8-13.